Have you ever felt like people resist your ideas or get in your way when you try to make things happen? If you are a manifestor in human design, then there is a reason for that. Your strategy is informing before you act. And in this video, we are diving deep into what that really means, how to align with it, and why it holds the key to your success, ease, and impact. Let's get into it. But before we explore the manifesto strategy, let's first start by defining what strategy actually is in human design. Every energy type, and I talked about them in previous videos. So for every energy type like generators, manifestors, projectors, reflectors, and manifesting generators, there is a unique way of interacting with the world. Strategy is the correct way for each type to make decisions and to navigate life with the least amount of resistance. And when you align with your strategy, then your life flows with a lot more ease, and you will see synchronicities start to appear, and your energy will also feel a lot more natural and a lot more fulfilling. So now get into the manifesto strategy of informing before you act. So I already said, if you are a manifestor, then your strategy is to inform before you act. But what does that actually mean? How do you do something like that? And in last week's video, we saw that generators are here to wait to respond, but manifestors are here to initiate. And you're only 8% of the population, and you are the only ones that can do Nike's slogan, just do it. That is initiating. You are designed to start things, to bring new ideas into the world and to set things in motion. However, there is a catch. If you just act without informing, then you will probably face resistance. People might push back, they might try to control you, or they might even block your path. This is where your strategy comes in. When you inform the right people before taking action, things flow much more smoothly. Think of informing as clearing the path before you move forward. It doesn't mean asking permission. No, 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 no. You do not need to ask permission. But you do need to keep people appraised of what you're thinking about or what's upcoming, what is next, the steps that you are taking, because that helps to reduce resistance and it allows your energy to move freely. So, as a manifestor, how do you then align with your strategy? And how do you embrace informing before you act in everyday life? It starts by letting people know what you're about to do. This doesn't mean explaining yourself. It also doesn't mean justifying your choices. It's simply giving people a heads up, letting them know what is coming, what they can expect from you, so that it doesn't surprise them or overwhelm them or hit them in their blind spot or triggers resistance to, well, the new ideas that you are capable of coming up with that people might think are way out there. The second step is to practice clear and direct communication. The more confident you are in your message, the more people will trust your direction. So when you are trying to do something that nobody else has done, when you speak about it, when it's in person or through your social media, through your blogging, through your videos, it doesn't matter. You need to be confident in your message, confident in your vision, explaining your vision, talking about your vision, the steps that you're taking, because that will allow people to trust in that idea that they might think is way out there, but you've sort of convinced them that it's going to be amazing. Lastly, you should not take any resistance from other people personally. Some people might not like being informed, and that is also okay. You are here to lead, You are not here to be liked by everyone. You are here to come up with novel ideas, out there ideas, combining things, creating new things, presenting it to the world. And if people want to follow that, if people can side with your vision or trust in your vision, then fine. And if they cannot, also fine, right? Be okay with it. You are not here to be liked by everyone. So, what is then the power of the manifestor strategy? When you, as a manifestor, inform before you act, you experience a lot more ease, a lot more success, and a lot more collaboration from the people around you. And that is because people feel included rather than blindsided. And you get to create with a lot fewer roadblocks. You are the initiators of the world. When you align with your strategy, you become unstoppable. Are you a manifester? Have you been struggling with informing before you act? Let me know in the comments your experiences, your questions. If you feel that you want to discover more about your human design and want to maybe discover your unique BU by Design blueprint, then grab your BU by Design blueprint for deep insights and your energy in your purpose. The link is below this video. If you want to study yourself, study your blueprint, study your design, and do that with a small group of people with similar interests on a similar journey, then you might want to consider joining my BU by Design Mastermind, where we explore our human design and our gene keys together. The link for that is also below this video. And if you feel like, no, I want to really move the needle forward and I want to take massive action and I want to take control of my life and I want to now, I want it as fast as possible, then you are looking for one-on-one guidance. And if that is the case, then I would like to invite you to book a free clarity call with me so that we can dive into your unique design and see where you are stuck so that we can get you to where you want to be going. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to turn the notifications on for a lot more human design content. For today, I wish you an amazing rest of your day, and I look forward to inspiring you, informing you with another video next week.